Like these boys wanna make music for the block, you know, for they hood, they city. I'm trying to make music for the world, you feel me, right, B.O.B.? So, this what we came up with.
I got up today, and my flight was late, on my way to L.A. I jumped up on a plane, and put on my shades, and threw on my headphones. I was vibing to this beat, it made me move my feet, boy that thing was sticking. And then I heard this melody, the dopest one I've ever seen, something out the usual. So Mr. Pilot, please, I think I got a hit on me, hurry to the studio. I'll play across the world, across the world, across the world. I'll play across the world, across the world, across the world. I'll play across the world. Well, I got up today, put some gas in my tank to make it to the studio. And then I heard this beat, it made me move my feet. Hell yeah, that thing was super dope. And then I sang this melody, the dopest one I'd ever seen, something out the usual. So Mr. Engineer, turn up the auto-tune, so I'll be on the radio. I'll play across the world, across the world, across the world. I'll play across the world, across the world, across the world. I'll play across the world.
Been around the world, same old song. Now on stage, they throw bras and thongs. Long way from what I came from, fighting in the club just for saying something. Now my passport's full, I'm out of pages. New places, new faces, new fans, all ages. Black, pink, purple, orange, Caucasians, Latinos, European, and Asian. In Japan, and knew all my lyrics, it was amazing. They spoke Spanish. Que más carne, ni más carne, así viene sandwich. I guess it's true what they say, music is the universal language. It's a true blessing, you know, to travel the globe.